Hopefully this video will help you guys try to install your lace wigs. This is a quick tutorial that I put together, and it's a no tape install. You can use 2 to 3 layers of glue, and you want to wait 5 minutes before applying the second coat. And once the glue dried to a tacky state, start in the center and and you want to attach one side at a time. Press firmly until you can get that one side on. And after you get that side, start on the other side and press firmly until you get the wig on. And if you apply 2 to 3 layers of glue and waited like 5 minutes in between each layer, the wig should feel pretty tight after you attach it. This wig is a wig that I've been having, and as you can see, it's not plucked. Make sure you tie down the perimeter really good. That'll help the wig adhere quick as possible. Hopefully this helps you until we're able to get back to our normal lives. Remember, if you have any questions, feel free to call me or text me at 817-966-6199 or email me, gwen@thebosshair.com. I'm here to help you as much as I can, and I miss you all. I don't know what happened, but my voice just went out all of a sudden, but I need to get this video done. Thank you, and I hope to hear from you soon. Bye. Take care, and remember, practice social distance.